Hello, good evening guys. This is Marl, and for this video guys, this is our part 2 for SSW question and answer. So sa part 2 guys, we will be talking about this bonus. As SSW visa holder, dapat ba talaga na meron akong bonus or dapat ba talagang humingi ako sa employer ko ng bonus? Before I talk about this bonus guys, I just want to be clear. I will be giving you information basing on general information for or general rules for SSW. Again, this is not only for Filipinos but sa lahat po ng nationalities. When we talk about the bonus, you have to remember guys that hindi po talaga kailangan na merong kang bonus na makukuha sa company po ninyo. You have to understand guys, this is not only about SSW visa. Kahit naman po sa engineering visa, sa TITP, kahit sa mga normal na mga visa guys like mga long term, permanent pa dyan, hindi po lahat ng company po nagbibigay po ng bonus. When it comes to money matters guys, ang importante lang po sa government ng Japan or sa rules ng SSW is dapat kung ano yung magiging average or yung sa minimum wage ng mga Hapon, dapat yun po yung matatanggap po natin. Again po, that's minimum wage. Sa mga may bonus po dyan ng mga SSW visa holders, congratulations po kasi sobrang laki nyo sa company po ninyo. Pero hindi po ibig sabihin na dapat nakafocus lang po kayo sa bonus. Dahil walang bonus tong company to, I want to move to this company because meron silang bonus. As an OFW guys, of course I understand guys na mahalaga yung financial matters guys, pero you also have to consider the side of the employers guys. Hindi kasi when they accept Filipinos guys, especially for Filipinos guys, they really pay a lot of money guys para matanggap po kayo. That's it guys. So again, for SSW, wala po talagang or hindi po nakasaad na kailangan meron kang matatanggap na bonus. So sa mga meron, congratulations po sa inyo. And guys, please don't forget to share this video guys sa mga kaibigan po ninyo para magkaroon din sila ng kaalaman about sa general rules for SSW. Hello po dyan ang nasa likod. And don't forget to follow my YouTube, my Instagram, and my Facebook page and Facebook ko po. If you have question po, wag po kayong mag-message po dito sa TikTok. I have like more than 500 messages already na hindi ko sinicheck. So if you have important matters or questions po, punta po kayo sa Instagram ko po or sa Facebook ko po para masagot ko po yung question po ninyo. Okay, that's it guys. Sayonara!